There's a hidden secret that men around the world have been using for years, and it involves something so simple, so ordinary, that you probably have it in your kitchen right now. Salt. Yes, you heard that right. But not just any salt. When used in a specific way, following an ancient yet scientifically backed method, it has the power to reignite your masculinity in mere seconds. Imagine this. You're standing there, frustrated, feeling like a part of you isn't what it used to be. Maybe you've tried the pills, the expensive supplements, the endless advice that never seems to work. But what if the answer wasn't in another overhyped medication? What if it was something as simple as this forgotten trick that men across generations have relied on to take back control of their confidence? This method isn't new. It has been quietly passed down, shared only among those who truly understand the natural science behind how a man's body reacts to key minerals. Because the truth is, your body craves balance. The right amount of this specific salt, applied in a very precise way, works like a reset switch, boosting circulation, enhancing blood flow, and triggering a natural reaction that has left thousands of men speechless. And here's the best part. It works for men of all ages. Whether you're in your 30s and just starting to notice the first signs of change, or in your 60s thinking those best days are behind you, this trick doesn't discriminate. It taps into your body's hidden potential, unlocking strength, stamina, and performance like never before. But here's the catch. Most people don't know about it. Big companies don't want you to. They'd rather keep selling you temporary fixes while ignoring this simple, powerful trick that has already helped countless men reclaim their vitality. So, if you're tired of feeling stuck, tired of solutions that never deliver, and ready to take back control using a method that's as natural as it is effective, then this could be the most important thing you ever hear. Because once you discover how to use this unique salt method the right way, everything changes. Don't let this remain a secret any longer. It's time to experience what so many men have already found real lasting results. And here's the exciting part. After years of research and refinement, they've taken this powerful salt trick and developed something even more effective. It's called Nitrox Pro, a 100% natural formula that harnesses the full potential of this technique to deliver incredible results faster and more efficiently than ever before. Thousands of men are already experiencing the difference, and now it's your turn. Click the link in the description to see how Nitrox Pro can help you reclaim your confidence starting today.